Okay guys, we're gonna go on a nature walk and this is gonna take a little long, so I'm gonna speed it up. And we got my bestie here. She's Pennywise. Is that the Macarena? Yeah. Guys, which path do we take? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. We're going that way. This is good. We're going back. Whoa! Look at this. More paths, guys. Which way? This way or that way?
I was thinking this way.
Yeah. Yeah, more block. Touch my hair. I'm setting your head. Oh. How about that? Oh, I'm looking over there. Yeah. Bang. Can't go forward. Not me. Nature's not beautiful. Yeah. It is actually. Black picture coming up for you. If I hear Black Panther, I'm ending the video. Hey, which way do I go? Which way? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger.
Like there's a roller coaster over there.
We're coming that way. There's a roller coaster? What the hell? Mom, it's like a roller coaster. What are you laughing?
Oh my god, where's the roller coaster?
Over there, like, see that, wait, stop.
All right.
Let's check it out. Yep. We're not in taxi anymore.
Oh, that's a tree.
It's a tree!
Bro, we thought it was a roller coaster. It's a tree.
Can I touch it? Let's go. One picture. Fine. You're adopted. I broke my ankle. Yeah. It's fucking tree. I'm gonna say that every time.
That's a Michael Jackson tree.
Record me doing the Michael Jackson. Alright.
Ready?
Dang, girl. Yeah, hi. I hate it hard.
Here, record me. Record me.
Just don't be a loser. Hey, don't call me that, but okay.
Oh my god. That tree. Yo, why is it open like that though?
Well,
No.
yeah, hey, yo. Girl, go for years. Guys, it's a man cave.
That's not Dad's cave. Okay, that's Diddy's cave.
No, it's a man cave. I want to go inside.
It could be a bear cave.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
Well, actually, it can't be a bear cave.
We're gonna go now. No, we cannot outrun a bear.